So welcome back to my channel, Be Truly Free, where we're focused on money, mindset, and freedom. I always get this question, so I'm like, yo, let me just film a video so I can point everyone to the video. What am I doing to make money and what my passive income streams are? So let's get into this video. Basically, the first passive income stream that I'm using is network marketing. I chose network marketing because it is one of the quickest tools to make yourself a millionaire. Just how network marketing is set up. I was lucky enough to, one of my millionaire friends put me on to a company that just starting, ran by a billionaire. You don't push, you don't sell. Really, you just make money and you get people on your team who want to make money too. And that's it. So if you want some information, on that, definitely shoot me an email. I didn't set up the online business yet because I just have to do it and I haven't done it. So shoot me an email and I'll get you over some information. I'm always welcoming new people to join my team. Let's get this money. Let's fire our boss. Let's chase after our God-given gifts and our dreams and do what we love to do. Okay, so definitely hit me up. The next thing I am into, and these are just the streams that I'm going to stick to for right now, is high ticket affiliate marketing. You have heard me talk about this probably several other videos because it's awesome. You can make a lot of money. The program I'm in, which is, I will leave the link down below. Not only am I a student of that program, I'm actually an affiliate of that program. And that program, you can make about $10,000 per sale. Now you do the math, okay? You can make $10,000 per sale of that online course, and it's everything you need to succeed. So that's the other high ticket affiliate marketing program I am in. Again, I will leave the link down below so you could go check it out. I'm telling you, it will change your life. And seriously, there is nothing more rewarding than seeing sales come in to something you just built and forgot about. Like, it is so cool. Like, whether it's $30 or $7,000, it is the most rewarding feeling. That's honestly what I'm loving so far about this passive income journey and building my empire of what I want to do and inspire other people to do too, is when you're literally making money without trying. So highly recommend high ticket affiliate marketing. And the last thing I am doing is Shopify print on demand. Shopify print on demand is basically you build a store on the Shopify platform, you connect it to a printing or one or two printing companies for free. Some of them do charge you a monthly recurring fee, like $8 a month or whatever, and then you drive traffic to your store. So with Shopify print on demand, I like it better than Shopify drop shipping, because Shopify print on demand, it's coming from the United States, it's of a good quality. You really can not only have winning products that are making you money on your page. Now mind you, with Shopify print on demand, you only need one product to make $1 million. Okay, you only need one. That's it. You only need one. So I would recommend getting a course. I definitely have a recommendation for a course I took. This dude is awesome. I want to say his course is like the #1 course on drop shipping and print on demand. So I'm going to try to find a link for his course and leave it down below. He's an awesome dude. So what was I saying? I forgot what I was saying. So print on demand. So I like it because you really run the creative process of it. So not only do you have your winning product, right, that you know you tested, it's winning, you have that making you money, but then you can really create whatever life you want to create. How do you want your website to look? Like mine, right now I'm in the process. So I have a testing page that I just use to test products of what's selling, what's not selling. My camera died on me, so I completely forgot like what I was talking about, but I believe I was talking about Shopify print on demand. Yeah, so now I'm in the process of creating my second store, which is all going to be about like positive mindset stuff and stuff to really fill your house and everything you love with like positivity, because we know that words also carry some form of energy, right? So I want to create just something where it's just gonna be like positive vibes all around. for everyone to partake in. So those are the three passive income streams that I'm really like focused on. Like that has all my time, all my energy right now. And of course, right, a passive income stream that it doesn't feel like work, and I think that's the point, right? Like, it doesn't feel like work. I completely forgot about this, is YouTube, my YouTube channel. I have 2 of them actually. And although like I'm posting content and I'm posting how-to videos and things that I feel can just truly change the world, change lives, provide value to someone, the icing on the cake, like I'm not there yet because I just literally started my YouTube channel. But I will get there, and again, like this is something I just love to do. So eventually YouTube, right, my channels, my videos will also be start generating me income that I'm not even thinking about. And I love, the reason why I love YouTube though is once you post something, it's done for life. So that's why it's passive. Yes, I'm doing the work for filming a video. Yes, I'm trying to inspire the world to change their minds and do all this other stuff. But once I like get it all together, edit it, and put it up there, it's up there for life, right? And I don't know, some of my videos, like I looked and like within 2 nights I had several hundred views. Like what? So YouTube is definitely a powerful search engine and is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. I don't know about you, but I stopped watching TV, especially being on this mindset journey. I completely cut out TV, and now all I'm doing, if the TV is on, I'm either worshiping or I'm learning about something just in my field, which is personal development and inspiring others and motivation and learning about your brain and your mindset and how everything is made up. So YouTube literally, like, even though I'm a content provider, I'm also partake all the time in YouTube. Like, I think it's an amazing platform. Your voice can be heard across the world. And it's also just, and the icing on the cake, right, is when YouTube starts to pay you. And then, and you don't even have to be a big channel to get paid on YouTube. That's for one. And then the ads also are kind of like a separate stream all in that YouTube video. So what happens when you create a YouTube video is you can load up your description with all these things of value to help people, and because you're helping people, you're also getting money in return. So I completely forgot about that stream, because I don't even look at YouTube as a stream of income, but it absolutely is a stream of income. Yeah, it's definitely a passive stream of income. So I guess I have 4. I always say I have 3 streams that I'm focusing on, but I really have 4 streams of passive income, and that is it. Now, right? Now just think of how much you need to quit your job. I always say try to, if you can't at the very minimum, dream and believe that you can make $1 million, let's say. At the very least, when you make your vision boards and you're dreaming and you're doing all this positive stuff, I have the challenge down below. When you're doing that, at least visualize earning what you make in a year and a month, right? Because we know online that's possible. So at the very least, dream about that, replacing your income, your yearly income in 1 month. And then once you hit that goal, dream even bigger, okay? So whether you want to double that, triple that, whatever, you know it's going to come true. So you might as well dream big, okay? So that's all I got for you today. If you want to reach out to me, I'm always here. Hit me up. Follow me on Instagram, Brianna Elise. I'll put my tag. Everything you need is going to be in the description, so check it out. I hope this video bless some of you guys today. If you need to reach me, if you want to join my network marketing company, if you want to look at the program, the Making Money Online program that I joined, and become affiliate of that, I'll put the link down below. Everything is down below that you need, okay? All right, just look at the link down below. Thank y'all. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you so much for joining me today, and as always, have a blessed day.